Today's lesson is Lesson 1 from Topic 2, and it is titled Repeating Patterns. Today's objective is I will identify and extend repeating geometric or repeating number patterns. Geometric means that we will be dealing with shapes as well as dealing with number patterns. I'd like you to look at the following pattern with shapes. And I would like you to try to continue the pattern to find what the 10th shape is. So in looking at the pattern, let's first number the pattern to see how many shapes we actually already have. So this would be shape 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are looking for 7, 8, 9, 10. We're looking for the 10th shape. So if we look at the pattern, it first starts with a square, then a triangle, then a trapezoid, then a triangle, then a square, then a triangle. What you need to find is the unit that is repeating every single time. So if we look at the shapes, the one thing that we notice is that it is a square, triangle, trapezoid, triangle. So if we wanted to know what the 10th shape was, we could just continue the pattern until we get to the 10th shape. So after a square triangle, then it would be the trapezoid, then it would be the triangle, then we would start again with the square, so then the 10th shape would be the triangle. Another way to think about it is that unit. So every four shapes, that is the unit that is repeating. Okay, so there's one unit, and then we would have, this would be a unit. So then the 10th shape would be the second shape in the unit. So the second shape in the unit would be a triangle, which again is the 10th shape. Please write the following vocabulary word in your notes. The word is repeating pattern. The definition is made up of shapes or numbers arranged in a unit that repeats over and over again. So we discussed what a unit was in the previous example. It was the square, triangle, trapezoid, triangle. That was the repeating unit. So go ahead and open up your books to page 40, and we're going to do the guided practice together. So if you look at the first one says to draw the next 3 shapes to continue the pattern. The best way to do that is to figure out what is the repeating unit. So if we look at the rectangles, you notice that the first rectangle, the height of it is the shortest. Then the second one, the height is the tallest. The third one, it is a medium height. Then it keeps going with a short height, a tall height, a medium height. So the repeating unit, the repeating pattern, is going to be, we have the small one, then we have the large one, and then we have a medium one. So that is the repeating pattern. So if you look at how many times it is repeated, and then what would be the next 3 shapes, it keeps going, and it ends with a large one. So that means the next 3 shapes would be the medium one, because that is the end of the repeating unit. And then it would start all over with the small one, and then the tall one. Number 2 is a number pattern. It says write the next 3 numbers to continue the pattern. So the pattern is 92769, 92769. So the repeating unit would be 9276. So if we look, it keeps repeating 9276, 9276, and then it starts with 9. So what you need, the next 3 numbers would be the last 3 numbers of the repeating unit.